I just got this corn stripper and I am absolutely amazed at how fantastic it works. I just have to show you. So you can also use it. It comes with this grater as well, so you can switch the top and put this on here and you can grate garlic or any of your vegetables. But I bought this primarily for the corn because I love making corn soup, and there's nothing worse than trying to cut off the kernels. So check this out. It does come with this little piece here as well to like grip the corn. Honestly, I don't use this, but I know why they do it is because, as you can see up here, this is really sharp, so you want to be careful when you get to the bottom, but I'll show you what I do. I just end up flipping the corn, which is super simple. So basically you take your corn, you can start from either end. I have noticed that starting from the bigger end is easier because then when I pull this out to turn it, it's easier to grab this. But so you basically just plop this on here and then just twist. That is literally it. Look at this. And look at all that beautiful fresh corn just coming off. So as you can see, I'm pretty close right now, so I can't get a good grip. So then I just pull this out and then turn it around and then just continue. And that is it. And then you've got all of your beautiful corn in here. And honestly, that's not a fluke. It literally works every single time. So awesome.